Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all, I finally got my haul in from that $5.95 mist sale over at Bath & Body Works. Finally got it in, y'all. I swear to God, the shipping on that felt like it took forever for some reason. Yeah, crazy. But before we get too much into today's video, y'all, of course the lip is by me today, y'all. I have After Curfew is back in stock, but she got a makeover. Oh, yes, she did. This is what she looked like previously. And this is what she looks like now. Look how pretty. I absolutely love these lip gloss bottles. They have that huge doe foot applicator. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. It is gorgeous on the lip. It's the same formulation. I just switched up the bottle. I felt like this bottle, I'm trying to just streamline everything, so a lot of the stuff that gets restocked will be put in these newer type bottles. But she is absolutely gorgeous. A beautiful berry gloss infused with like this bluish type of a glitter. Absolutely gorgeous. And she smells like grape soda. Yes, I absolutely love it, love it, love it. Make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some After Curfew, baby. Were you out after curfew? God knows I was. Anyway, let's get into this haul, y'all. Let's get into this haul. All right, first thing I got, it was not a big haul, first of all. It was a smaller haul. I tend to go for the online items only, or the online only items, because anything I can get in store, I want to get my butt in there and get it, you know what I mean? So the first thing I had to snatch, though, was Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Come on now, focus. Damn it, do your job. Did y'all notice they have a pumpkin roll on this packaging? I thought that was very interesting. What I also found interesting is the scent notes. Now, tell me if I'm crazy. Please tell me if I'm crazy. But for whatever reason, my brain does not remember this having these same scent notes. Scent notes are heirloom pumpkin. Oh my God, Mary. Heirloom pumpkin. No, God. Heirloom pumpkin, autumn cinnamon, ginger snap, and whipped vanilla. Like, y'all, am I crazy or did they not have those scent notes before? Maybe your girl's nuts, but I was like, what? So let's take a sniff. I'm going to have to do a review and comparison video because I swear to God, I think this smells different, not the same as it has in years past. And in a good way, because I've never really been the biggest fan of Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I felt it was just too cinnamony and too, like, just too spicy, like too much pumpkin spice, like straight overload pumpkin spice. And this doesn't make me think that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm definitely going to have to do a side-by-side review and comparison of Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Do you guys think they changed her? Because, or maybe my sniffer's just overloaded today. Yeah, I have some thoughts. Y'all, some thoughts. The other item that I did get. All right, love you. Bye, boop. See you later, Tater. Anthony's going with his dad. The other item that I did get, y'all, it was only 2 items. Sorry it wasn't a huge haul. I know hey, I know there are some YouTubers out there that do massive hauls, and hey, that's wonderful for them. Your girl did a little haul. It was a little one. But the other item that I did finally get in, y'all, Wicked Vanilla Woods. In the new packaging, y'all, look at that packaging. It is so pretty. It's got a snake on it. You see the snake? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like all like this. You probably maybe can't see it really well. But yeah, it's got a snake on it. And I was like, alrighty now, alrighty. Scent notes are magical vanilla, glowing amberwood, and enchanted pink pepper. Same notes as I recall previously. Let's sniffa. Hello, lover. I missed you. Y'all, I think they may have actually done this better than what I remember. The original, I remember the original first time it came out, a year before last. It was amazing. And then whatever that crap was they brought out back last year was watered down bullshit. This smells really freaking fracking good. I do like these caps on here too. I think they're really cute. With like the hexagon, whatever optical illusional crap they got going on there. I don't know if I would use that to justify the price increase, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing a review and comparison. I didn't keep last year's version because it was crap. I kept the version, the original version, so I will be comparing it to that one because that's like the gold standard, baby. If they can't do it like that, don't bring it back at all. So we're going to find out. We are definitely going to find out. I'm definitely getting a lot of vanilla in this, though. Beautiful, warm amber. So a little bit of pink pepper. This is really pretty, though. On first sniff, I'm going to have to wear her just to be sure. Just to be sure. But y'all, yeah. But that was my little haul. I know it wasn't big, you guys. I'm sorry. But, yeah. What did you think? Did any of you guys out there get your hands on these? Tell me what you thought in the comments below. Do not forget to get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Get you some after curfew. Look at how beautiful this gloss is, y'all. Look at how beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And when the light is really bright on it, if you're out in sunlight, it looks like there's blue diamonds on your lips. I absolutely love this one. Absolutely love this. Finally restocked her back for fall. So make sure you snag them up. And we're at my favorite part, y'all. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.